Ever wondered how you could tackle those common health issues with just a simple ingredient? Today, we live in a world where health issues like obesity, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure are all too common. These conditions, often a result of our modern lifestyles, can be daunting to address. But what if the solution wasn't as complex as we thought? What if it was as simple as incorporating a single natural ingredient into our daily routine? Natural remedies have been used for centuries, harnessing the power of Mother Nature to heal and soothe. They're often simple, accessible, and free from the side effects that come with many modern medicines. Today, we're going to delve into the world of one such remedy, a potent ingredient that's likely sitting in your pantry right now, one you've probably used in your salad dressings or marinades. One such potent ingredient is apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. Apple cider vinegar, a household name, is more than just a kitchen staple. This versatile ingredient is a product of crushed, distilled, and fermented apples, a process that transforms the fruit's natural sugars into alcohol, which is then transformed into acetic acid by bacteria. This golden liquid has been a part of human history for thousands of years, used by the ancient Romans as a healing elixir, and by soldiers as a disinfectant. In recent years, apple cider vinegar has surged in popularity as a health supplement, with countless individuals swearing by its benefits. From weight loss enthusiasts to those seeking natural remedies for common ailments, it seems like everyone has a bottle in their pantry. But it's not just a passing fad. There's a growing body of scientific research supporting the health benefits of this fermented beverage. But how exactly does this golden liquid contribute to our health? Apple cider vinegar is packed with a multitude of health benefits. Let's dive right into them. First off, it can aid in weight loss. How? It's believed to increase satiety, helping you eat fewer calories and leading to actual kilos dropping off. Next, it can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. Consuming apple cider vinegar before a meal can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes, particularly beneficial for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Moving on, it's good for your heart too. Some studies suggest that vinegar can reduce blood triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood pressure levels, all contributors to heart diseases. What about your gut? Well, apple cider vinegar can boost your digestive health by helping break down food. Its acidic nature can aid with digestion, reducing bloating and heartburn. Finally, it can enhance your skin health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar has been found to have antimicrobial properties, which could help treat acne. The benefits of apple cider vinegar are indeed impressive, aren't they? In a nutshell, apple cider vinegar is a powerful health supplement. Gifted with a multitude of health benefits, this simple yet potent concoction is truly a game changer. It's not just about the weight loss or the improved digestion or even the lower blood sugar levels. It's about the whole package, a comprehensive wellness solution in a bottle. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's fondly known, has been around for centuries, standing the test of time. It's not some passing health fad, it's a tried and true natural remedy. And the best part? It's easily accessible and effortlessly integrates into your daily diet. Whether you're adding a splash to your salad dressing or sipping it in a warm beverage, ACV can be as versatile as you need it to be. So why not make apple cider vinegar a part of your daily routine and experience its health benefits firsthand?